The BrinkAlert LED safety light system protects your doors, trucks, and people from accidents. Our safety light systems make your equipment safer and minimize costly repairs and downtime. Our bright LEDs are typically installed on the door frame, creating an effective door position indicator. Now drivers will know to wait for green to proceed, and red indicates a potential hazard. If your unlighted door causes injuries or damages, you may be liable. Lighted doors increase awareness for everyone. For instance, lights can be bright red when the door is closed, flashing red when the door is moving, and green when the door is fully open. The BrinkAlert LED safety light system makes both manual and motorized doors safer than ever. Accidents can hurt people, create downtime, and cost money. Prevent just one accident, and you've paid for the system. The BrinkAlert LED safety light systems work with all common commercial door operators, old or new. They include all parts that a professional door installer will need for the installation. Our patented LED controller is the brain of the system. It can be quickly programmed by the installer using a computer or jumper wire. Our ultra-bright LED strips are designed to endure rugged environments. We make different types of retainer track for various mounting options. Our highly skilled engineering team stands ready to help with crafting custom solutions that suit your application needs. The BrinkAlert LED safety light systems greatly increase employee awareness and prevent accidents. Wouldn't you agree? Every commercial door should be lighted for safety. Contact your distributor for pricing today.